Hello everyone. In this session, we will walk through the GitLab dashboard that you see after logging in. We will understand the different sections and their uses. This is the home page you will see once you log into GitLab. Let's first discuss the top left section. Here, this is the home button which redirects you to the home page. This is sidebar toggle allows you to show or hide the sidebar. The plus icon lets you add new items such as repositories, projects, groups, or snippets. The user settings icon provides access to user related settings. Within these user related settings, GitLab Next refers to experimental or upcoming features under development. These are often in beta or preview stages, allowing users to test new functionality and provide feedback before full integration. Now, let's talk about this projects section. In GitLab, projects are essentially repositories, but they are more than just a place to store your code. A GitLab project combines the repository with additional tools and features to facilitate software development, collaboration, and DevOps workflows. First, I will explore the projects section so I can show you certain features that may or may not be available to every user. Here, I will click on this second link of GitLab project and I will open it into the new tab. I will go back to my home page. Here, I will open one of the projects such as YouTube files available under my account. On this screen, the left window shows YouTube Files project under my account and the right window shows GitLab project. Now let's review each sections individually. The first section is about project information, which provides some description related to the project. Below the project information, the bar shows the languages used in the code. For example, here the entire repository contains 69.2% Ruby code, while this one has 65.1% Python code. On the right window, below the language bar, it shows badges. These badges provide quick status indicators or links to specific actions related to the repository. You can use badges at both the group and project levels. Below the badges, we see some statistics related to the main or the master branch. It shows the number of commits, number of branches, number of tags, number of releases, and much more. Below the statistics, we have links to different files like README, license, and others. On the left side, I have got only readme.md file. But if I add a license, a changelog file, or a contribution file, they will appear here as well, just like on the right side. Below the files section, you can see the project creation date. Next, we have branch selection and repository name. Beside the repository name, there are options to manage files, folders. On the right side, there are buttons to view the commit history, find specific files, edit files, and work with the code in various ways. Below this, we see who has recently pushed changes and when, along with commit SHA. Further down, all files and folders available in the selected branch are displayed. By default, the readme.md file will be shown at the bottom. Now let's talk about the sidebar section of this project section. The first section shows your repository name. Clicking on it will bring up the section we just reviewed. Below that is the pinned section, which displays anything you have pinned. To pin a section, simply hover the mouse over it and click on this pin symbol. Similarly, you can unpin a section by hovering over the pinned section and clicking this unpin symbol. In the manage section, you have several subsections. Activity displays different activities. Within the activity section, the top bar includes subsections for different activity types. Members shows the members of the repository. Labels are used to categorize issues and merge requests. In case you do not have such labels available under your repository, then you can create one using this generate a default set of labels button. I will click on it and you can see that default labels have been created for this particular repository. The next section is for planning the development. The issues subsection shows open, closed, and all issues with labels to categorize them. The issue boards section shows issues under custom created labels like open, closed, in dev, etc. So over here you can see that workflow in dev, workflow in review, and then other labels under which you have got different issues. The milestones section helps organize and track issues and merge requests over specific time frame or goals. It's useful for managing project timelines, sprints, or releases. Iterations are time boxed periods within which a team works to deliver specific issues. It's often used in agile workflows similar to sprints in Scrum, helping organize work into manageable periods, making progress measurable. Requirements in GitLab define and manage product or system requirements, ensuring that features align with business and technical needs. The wiki in GitLab serves as a place to store documentation like user guides, developer notes, or onboarding instructions. Please note that the iteration and requirements sections are not available in the left window over here. Next, we have code section, which is for code management. Merge request displays open, closed, or merge request. Repository represents the files and folders under the selected branch. Branches shows branches under different categories. Commits displays all the commits made so far. Tags displays tags created for categorizing code commits. Repository graph displays various activities on a timeline showing relationship between commits, branches, tags, etc. It helps with navigation and tracking changes. Compare revisions allows you to compare changes between different branches. Snippets allows you to store and share pieces of code, text, or configuration either within your repository or as standalone entities. Logged files used to prevent certain files from being edited simultaneously by multiple contributors. This is helpful in collaborative projects to avoid conflicts over files that needs to be worked on by only one person at a time. And you can see that this logged files feature is not available on this left window. Next, we have build section, which is primarily used for CI/CD management. Here, pipelines shows the status of the CI/CD pipeline, which is a collection of jobs. Jobs displays the status of specific tasks. Pipeline schedule displays the schedule of different pipelines. Pipeline editor, which is not available in this right window, but which is available in this left window, is a visual tool that simplifies creating and managing pipelines by allowing users to design and edit the .gitlab-ci.yml file directly from the GitLab web interface. In GitLab, test cases, which is available in this right window but not available in this left window, refers to predefined scenarios designed to verify that a feature or a functionality of an application works as expected. They are essential part of quality assurance. Artifacts are the files created as a part of the build process, often containing metadata like test results, security scans, etc. Next, we have this security section, which is not available in this right window because definitely it is the repository under the GitLab authority. So definitely it is not going to be available to us. But on the left window, which shows repository, under my account, we have got this security section. So the security section handles security aspect of the project. Security capabilities detects vulnerabilities in the code. Audit events provides a traceable history of project activities. Security configuration allows you to configure the security settings of the project. The deployment section includes release, then feature flags, which is available in the left window but not available in the right window, package registry, container registry, model registry, and pages, again, which is not available on this right window. Releases are the version of your project that has been packaged and made available for others to download or use, usually after a build or deployment. Feature flags allows you to turn certain features of your software on or off without deploying new code, making it easier to test or release features gradually. Package registry is the place to store and manage software packages like libraries or dependencies needed by the project. Container registry, a place to store Docker images, pre-packaged application environments for easy deployment across systems. Model registry stores machine learning models, allowing you to version, track, and manage the deployment of models over time. GitLab Pages is a feature that lets you host static websites directly from your GitLab repository, useful for sharing documentation or project websites. Under the operate section, you can see that there are certain subsections which are available on the left side but are not available on the right side. Here, environments represent different stages of your deployment, such that development, testing, production, etc., to track and manage the deployment process. Kubernetes clusters allow you to manage and deploy applications in containers using Kubernetes. Terraform stage tracks the current state of your infrastructure, allowing you to manage it as code with Terraform. Terraform modules are reusable templates for infrastructure code, which simplify creating and managing infrastructure components across projects. Google Cloud is the integration with Google Cloud services, allowing you to manage resources and infrastructure on Google Cloud platform directly from GitLab. Again, in this monitor section, you will see that there are certain subsections which are available on the left but are not available on right. Here, error tracking monitors and captures errors such that bugs or crashes in your software, helping you quickly identify and fix issues. Alerts provide notification about problems or changes in your system like performance issue or failed jobs, so you can take actions immediately. Incidents tracks and manages incidents or outages that disrupt your system, helping you resolve problems that affect users or service reliability. Service Desk allows you to manage customer support requests, acting as a help desk system within GitLab. Within this analyze section, you can see that again certain sections are there which are not available on this left window but are available in this right window. Value Stream Analytics tracks and visualizes the entire life cycle of your software development process, which helps you to identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency. Contributor Analytics provides insight into contributions made by team members, helping you understand who is contributing and how much work each person is doing. CI/CD Analytics provide insights into the performance and efficiency of your CI/CD pipelines. Repository Analytics provides insights into repository activity, including commits, branches, pull requests, and code changes. Code Review Analytics provides data on the code review process, including how quickly reviews happen and the quality of the reviews. Issue Analytics tracks and analyzes issues, providing insights into resolution times and efficiency. Insights are high level reporting and visualization on various aspects of your projects like quality, performance, and collaboration. Model experiments provide analytics and tracking for machine learning models. This feature helps manage and compare different experiments, their results, and performance metrics, enabling you to optimize model development effectively. The next section is the settings section, which is not available on this right window because this repository does not belongs to the my account. General settings. This section contains settings related to the project. You can manage all aspects of your project such as permissions, visibility, and other configuration like badges, service desk, and some other advanced settings. Integrations allow you to integrate your project with external platforms like Slack, Jira, or other third party tools to streamline workflows. Webhooks, where you can create webhooks to set up automated communication between GitLab and other systems. Webhook sends HTTP post requests to trigger external services or workflows when specific events occur in your project. They are especially useful for automating tasks like notifying a CI/CD pipeline or updating external tools. Project access tokens is a secure way for external systems or services to interact with your GitLab project. These tokens grant specific permissions without requiring personal credentials. Repository settings, it configures repository specific options such as branch protections, file logs, and push rules, and some other configurations. Merge request settings, which provides facility to manage rules and configuration for merge requests such as approval workflows, pipelines, and merge strategies. The CI/CD settings are especially for CI/CD related configurations where you can manage your CI/CD related configuration. Like you can manage runners, you can manage artifacts, you can manage environment variables, and some other general pipeline related settings. This is the packages and registry settings, which allows you to manage package and registry related settings. These are the monitoring related settings where you can manage error tracking, alerts, and incidents. And this is the usage quotas where you can see what is your usage and you can get usage related details. Now let's move out from this project section. The left panel outside of the project section is similar to the one in the project area that we just discussed and reviewed, but with a key difference. Here, the sections are designed for users level details and settings, while the project panel focuses on project specific configurations. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.